Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Chevy Colorado. It's one we took in trade, only 16,000 miles on it. So pretty nice shape. They did break out a little chunk of the grill right there. Just not very noticeable, but I wanted to show you that. So otherwise, couple little, there's a little scratch right there. And then I think one door ding, that's the worst spots on the whole truck. An older lady had it, only 16,530 miles on it. So got a power seat, got must have aftermarket remote start. There's your key and your fob, power windows and locks, floor mats. So interior's in nice shape. Few rock chips right here, which you're going to get that because in this part of the country it sticks out and catches rocks. So trailer tow package. Bed looks like it's hardly, they must have used it as a car because the bed don't look like it's hardly even got a scratch in it. There's your backup camera. V6 automatic 4-wheel drive. Got good tread on the tires. There's your alloy wheels. Like I said, you got a few chips on this. Actually, most of them is the clear liner that goes there. It catches them. Obviously, they put that on there because they know what's going to happen. So, a couple minor scratches and that grill, a little chunk of that grill out. Otherwise, very, very nice shape, low miles, certified 7-year, 112,000 mile drivetrain. So just a nice setup little Colorado, 4-wheel drive. These are kind of neat little trucks. So any questions? 605-692-7010.